How you doing? This is Greg with Superior Cleaning Equipment. We've got kind of a cool new machine that we're sending out today to a customer. But we wanted to show it to you first. It's the Landa PDHW. That's the portable diesel hot water. This is the unit here on a Landa TRV trailer. Both of these are stock units. This has got the 5 gallon a minute, 3,500 PSI hot water Kubota diesel motor on it. So it's all a single fuel source, and you can tell it's got the really nice enclosed cabinet here, stainless steel burner wrap, Schedule 80 coil, Wayne burner. Nice control panel here also on the other side with the additional power outlets. You've got an hour meter, adjustable temp. You've got your indicator light for battery, fuel, oil temp, 4 nozzles, English, Spanish, and French labeling. Of course, all UL certified, as all Landa pieces of equipment are. Nice cabinet. It opens up on this unit here where you have access to your 2 oil water separator filtration systems. If you look in here, great access to the pump, separate unloader on an unloader block. Again, here's your fuel water separators, spinning the water out of the solids, diesel tank. You've got your diesel engine right back here. Got that Landa LT pump. That has been a great pump for us, held up in the field. Notice also all of the JIC fittings on all the Landa equipment. I've always loved that ever since I was a contract cleaner back in the day. No hose clamps, you know, all brass heavy duty fittings, easy to get off and on, but still sturdy. Anyway, very, very nice. And again, serial plate number here, year made, things like that. Great for service. So, that's that unit. Again, the TRV, we've talked about this trailer before. A lot of people love this trailer. You've got the fold-away, breakaway tongue there. You've got the integrated 200-gallon tank. Everything's powder coat, epoxy painted. Actually matches the pressure washer, because Landa does that on all their machines as well. Integrated hose reels up here on the top. You've got your 100-foot of pressure washer hose. We've got 50-foot of water supply hose on here. Very nice, compact, narrow unit. You come around on this side here, we've got a big water filter to protect debris and sediment from the tank getting into the pump. Runs right up through the side here. Got a ball valve in case you want to run it off of fresh water and not off the tank. Very easy right here. And then of course it goes into the machine itself. So the Landa PDHW on the Landa TRV-3500 trailer. Great combination. What a workhorse. Single fuel source. Customer's gonna love it, and we're thrilled to have them get it. Again, you can see us online at www.sceclean.com. Also buy parts online, see all of our products, all the things that we do. And we love having you as customers, and we really appreciate you watching these videos. And I hope it's been helpful and informative.